Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create twisting buildings like these in SketchUp. And for creating twisting buildings we need some powerful plugins in SketchUp like 1001-bit tools and Fredo scale. In here Fredo 6 Fredo scale. Both of these plugins are free. You can find them from extension warehouse or from different sites. I will demonstrate the entire process step by step, and so you can follow the steps, and let's get started. The first one is this. For making this we have to make the base of this, for example 10 by 10 meters, and the height is like 40. We have to make it group. In here in 1001-bit tools we have an option named divide selected face into panels. After clicking that we have this frame. In here we have number of rows. It means that number of, we can say that number of the floors, for example these are the rows, and we can write it like 25, and this is number of the columns, like this one we can write it like 6, and this is frame depth. In here it write D is in here. This is the depth and this is the width. We can write it like 0.3, like it's 30 centimeters, and 0.220 centimeters. We made it in the middle. Create window frame. We have to click in here. It's a little heavy, it may take some time, we have to wait. Yeah, we have to do this for 4 sides. Yeah, in here we have to make it group again, and after that we have to use from the second plugin Fredo scale. Here is an option named box twisting. After that, at first we have to click on the top of the building, then outside of the building, and after that we will route it. In here we will write the degree like 100 degree. Enter. Yes, it's okay. Yeah, we can also scale it like this. Yes, done. And the next one is this one. Both of them have the same process, but with a little change. 10 by 10, make it like 50. In here we have just one column, and because of that we have to write in here 1 instead of 6. Create window frame. Oh, we have, yeah, it's okay. We have to do for 4 sides. to make it group again using the box twisting. Click on the top of that. Yeah, now it's okay. We have to write 100. It's done. This is like this one. Yeah, this is like so.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.